In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Cineworld gift card online. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You are going to be able to use your gift card to book your next Cineworld movie by going over to their website, and once you get to the payment method, when booking your ticket, you will be able to include the details about the gift card. So all you have to do is, like I said, go to the Cineworld website or open up the mobile app, browse through all of the options, and once you are done selecting a movie, selecting your seats, including your account, you will be able to go to the checkout page and on the payment methods window, select gift card. As you can see, it's at the right side of credit or debit card. When you click gift card, you will be able to add the gift card number. So in here, include the gift card number as necessary and then the PIN. Sadly, I won't be able to show you this process on screen because I don't have a Cineworld gift card available at the moment, but as long as you include valid and legitimate information, you will be able to click Add Card. They also give you a warning that you should retain your physical gift card if you want to make in-cinema purchases. So as long as you have enough balance, you can add the card over here, finish your booking online, and you will be able to go to the cinema and get your tickets. Make sure to input the correct details over here and present the tickets when you are ready to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Cineworld gift card online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.